Are you tired of serving the same old boring side dishes at your gatherings? Looking to impress your guests with a dish that will have them coming back for seconds? Well, look no further because today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate homemade baked beans that will elevate your side dish game to a whole new level. Baked beans are a classic comfort food that is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a backyard barbecue, potluck, or cozy family dinner. And with this easy-to-follow recipe, you'll be able to whip up a batch of delicious beans that will have everyone asking for the recipe. To start, you'll need a few key ingredients to make the perfect batch of baked beans. You'll need some bacon, onions, garlic, brown sugar, molasses, ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and of course, a few cans of your favorite beans. I like to use a combination of kidney beans, navy beans, and black beans for a variety of textures and flavors. First, you'll want to cook up some bacon in a large skillet until it's nice and crispy. Once the bacon is cooked, remove it from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, sauté some diced onions and minced garlic until they're nice and soft. This will help to build a flavorful base for your baked beans. Next, you'll want to add in your brown sugar, molasses, ketchup, mustard, and Worcestershire sauce to the skillet. Stir everything together until it's well combined and let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Now it's time to add in your beans. Make sure to drain and rinse them before adding them to the skillet. Stir everything together until the beans are well coated in the sauce. Crumble up your cooked bacon and sprinkle it on top of the beans for an extra layer of flavor. Once everything is mixed together, transfer the mixture to a baking dish and pop it in the oven. Let the beans bake for about an hour, or until the sauce is nice and thick and bubbly. The aroma of the beans baking in the oven will have your guests drooling in anticipation. When the beans are done baking, take them out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with some chopped parsley or green onions for a pop of color and freshness. And there you have it, the ultimate homemade baked beans that are sure to be a hit at any occasion. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, potluck, or cozy family dinner, these beans will steal the show and have everyone asking for seconds. So next time you're looking for a side dish that will impress your guests, look no further than these delicious homemade baked beans. With just a few simple ingredients and easy-to-follow steps, you'll be able to whip up a batch of beans that will have everyone coming back for more. Get ready to elevate your side dish game with this mouth-watering recipe. Let's get cooking.